Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is another announcement video of this new series that I'm trying to start. The series name is Awesome Day Series. So basically, I'm going to start my day with AWS service. I mean to say that I'm going to pick up one service per day and I'm going to explain what is that service, what is the architecture of that, and what are the users of that in a short, crisp 5 or 3 minutes video, and I'll be uploading it at exactly 9 a.m. in the morning every day. Okay, so I need your support, guys. So I'm trying to come up with a new series every day. I'm gonna think about how can I help people learn about AWS. So I'm starting this new series. The intention of this is to just introduce people what is AWS, right? So we are moving towards shorter form contents where people want to just watch short videos and learn maximum out of it. So this is the intention behind it. So I'm going to record 3 to 5 maximum of 5 minutes of video, and I'm going to upload it in my channel. So watch out for this series. I hope you're excited as well. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.